Hey guys, this is Wahid from Techloan Informations and I'm back with a new video again. So today in this video I'm going to tell you about how to mock your location on your Android phone. But before starting the video, I want to tell you guys, please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. So let's start. First of all, you will need this application, Fake GPS Location, and you can download it from Google Play Store. So after downloading, you need to go to your settings. Please scroll down to your about phone because you need to turn on your developer option if you haven't turned it on. So to turn it on, you need to click build version on your Android phone. And if you are a Xiaomi user, then you need to click on MIUI version for several times. So I'm already a developer, I don't need to develop it again. I don't need to turn it on again. So let's go back to the additional settings. Where it is. We'll search for mock location app. And then in the mock location app, you need to select the free GPS location app as the default mock location app. Okay. So go back to your home screen now. Open the mocking app. Open that app. Now you can set any location as your default location for your phone by searching it in the search bar. I'll set Russia as my default location at the current time. After searching it, just tap on the play button over there and boom, you're located on the location you have selected. So that was it guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video if you love it. Thank you so much. I'll be back with a new video again. Till then, bye bye. Take care.